Hi friends, welcome to 5 Mr. YouTube channel. Already you know this fabric gum. This is called fabric gum named B7000 in white color. See here. This will be in white transparent color. Okay, see. So in this video we are going to see fabric gum but in black color, another color, black. Let's unbox it. We have ordered it through Amazon and let's unbox it. Wow, this is actually the product. Oh, in package it has three numbers of gum. The number given is here T-7000. Let's open from this box. Wow, this is called T-7000. Let's open the cap and let's see how it looks. Wow, see it closely. It is in dark black, pure black. Okay, so if you would like to bind black color or any dark color, you can use this gum. See, this is black color, and I am going to apply gum. Wow, so it looks naturally and it matches with the color. So when you are going to apply gum in particular product, yes, you can use this so that the color matches with the product and it will be more clean instead of using white in black. If you use white in black, what will happen? The white will be clearly visible. Okay, but if you use the matching color, yes, it will be very nice. So this product will be very useful for binding black color or even in dark color you can apply. See, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you would like to purchase this, we will give the link in the description as well as we will give in the product tag in the video itself. You can buy it. That's all friends. Bye.